Greetings and good evening or good afternoon. What time is it? It's after 2 o'clock because we're closed. But welcome to our, this is a kind of random champion chat today, but Dr. Champion was here in the store and was feeling excited and wanted to share some things with you today. If you haven't been by, we always want you to come by 2369 Elvis Presley Boulevard, Memphis, Tennessee 38106. And so here we go, Dr. Champion. How you doing today?
I'm just an old country term. I'm just fair to middling, but I am feeling fine, and I'm glad to be able to share with you today a big smile.
Yeah.
Am I smiling?
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah, I'm a big smile to let you know that I'm still here at Champion's Pharmacy and Herb Store.
How old are you, Dr. Champion?
Oh, I forgot.
You forget.
Yeah, these birthdays are rolling by so fast, but I'm 92 years old.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Coming up on
about.
93.
And still trying to help the community. Ain't that right, Dr. Champion?
Yes, I am.
All right, what are we talking about today?
Well, since you was talking about age, you was talking about age, and I listened to here in Memphis, in the Memphis market, on Sunday afternoon. We have Mr. Brother Mark Stansberry with the gospel music, and we have a number of people called in. But Brother Mark Stansberry, around 4 o'clock on each Sunday evening, gives some old history. And as you notice here, I have my Xavier University cap. I got my Xavier University cap nearby. And I guess Jessica's wondering what I'm going to say. But Brother Mark Stansberry in the history said that Xavier University in September, that's when it was formed. And I went back, and I think it was either around the 18th or 19th of September. And just to look over the years, in 2025, in 2025, the school will be 100 years old.
Woo!
And to think about it, in 1951, when at least when I graduated, when I graduated from Xavier University was, I wonder how many years old it was. Can you take a guess?
What's that? They opened 25. What's that? 25? 26 years? 25, 26 years old?
Xavier University was 25 years old when I graduated.
All right now.
And so I want to say welcome, and to remind all the Xavier University students in and around Memphis, and also during this time of season, we have a number of people that's going to the different homecoming.
That's right.
Xavier, Southern University, Tuskegee,
Tennessee State,
Jackson State, Grambling. I said Southern, some of the other, Dillard University,
AMU, all of them.
All of them.
And Lane College.
All
Don't forget Lane College, Dr. Champion.
And then as the weather is changing, let's talk about the weather change.
All right.
Okay, weather is changing. As we know, about 2 or 3 days ago, the temperature in Memphis was 102 degrees.
That's right.
And then within a few hours, within the next day, at the present time in Memphis, the temperature is around 82 degrees. from 82, from 102 to 82. That's a lot of temperature
Change.
drop.
Yeah,
and weather change. So what's on my mind? What's on my mind? What's on my mind as you go from territory to territory, especially here in the South, the body is going to be affected by the change.
That's right.
You go, and here again now, the viruses that we have been experiencing in the crowd, we still have to be careful and you're mixing, and we want to be prepared to meet those challenges. And at Champions Pharmacy and Herb Store, this is our business season coming up.
That's right.
When we sell most of our cough syrup.
Yeah.
Most of our cough syrups is sold during this period of time. So this is cough syrup season.
That's right.
This is cough syrup season. This is cough syrup season. And what I'm saying to you, you need to go to the internet and order up your cough syrup. We don't want to be caught like it was last winter when we ran out because of the demand and because so many people was having a cough, cold, running nose, and all the symptoms from the viruses that we had just experienced.
That's right. So let's look at some of the ones that we carry here in-house. So
Yeah.
the first one, Dr. Champion, is...
This is the our regular standby cough syrup. This is our regular standby cough syrup that for cough and help build up the resistance. And this is all herbal. Everything we're talking about today is herbal medicine.
All right.
Here at Champions Pharmacy and Herb, and this is our #1 herbal
Cough medicine.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one.
This is the one for children.
This is one for diabetics and high blood pressure.
Oh, this is for what?
Diabetics and high blood pressure patients.
Well, it just come to my mind that we don't want the diabetics and high blood pressure patients taking all this cough syrup with all this sugar in it.
Right.
Sir, so I have made a special product that is sugar free, which means that you can take it not over. You don't want to overdose on it, but you can take it. You can take more than you usually would, and you wouldn't have to worry about the sugar and your blood pressure running up.
That's right.
So this is a very, very good product, and we sell a whole lot of that. And then the next product that we have here is a special product for babies and children, and for old folks who have lung problems and need to build up the resistance. This is a cod liver oil type herbal cough syrup, and we have it here. I make it here, especially at Champions Pharmacy and Herb Store.
Okay. Now this is, since we also specialize in old hard to find products, so we also have another formula. I'm sure you've all seen this before in your grandmother's cabinets and your mama's cabinets, and I'm sure when you were small, you said you would never take it again. But you know what? It works. Tell us something about that, Dr. Champion.
This is what we call a cod liver oil emulsion.
It's
Cod liver oil emulsion, but it's got a trade name by the name of Father John. This product is well over 100 years old. Well over 100 years old. Great grandmama and great granddaddy and all have used this, and it is tested at the time. It's still available, not widely in the United States, but we have recognized that a lot of people want Father John, so we keep Father John available here in the store, and you can also order Father John from Champions Pharmacy and Herb what is it, .com?
Yes, sir. That's it. I'm going to say it again.
Championpharmacy.com, on Facebook, on our website.
Okay.
On our website, this product is available, plus the other cough syrup.
Okay. And then our last product we're going to talk about today is, what's this, Dr. Champion?
That feels like a herb.
It is. It's a combination of herbs.
This is a sinus tea. This is a sinus tea. I had being a student of pharmacognosy, and I also listen. I've always been able to want to listen to my customers and bring to light their needs.
Okay.
And I had a patient to call, and it said they went to the doctor, and they got a cocktail shot.
Oh, really?
So I said, "What's in the cocktail shot?" They didn't know. The nurse in the office didn't know. Nobody knew what was in the cocktail shot. So I set out to come up with my combination, because I knew what peppermint and what eucalyptus and
a bunch of other things.
Yeah, a bunch of other things. Yes.
And a bunch of other things.
Yeah, a bunch of other herbs that was in this tea. So I put it together, and I started selling it, and I call it what? The Dr. Champion's
cocktail tea.
Dr. Champion's cocktail tea.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sinus, SINUS cocktail tea.
Yes, sir.
And this has been a go situation win ever since I started putting it out. So you can order this online. Is it listed online?
Yes, sir. It's online.
Listed online. Dr. Champion Sinus cocktail tea.
All right. So what we're going to do now is, Dr. Cook, you can go through the prices of the products we have here.
All right, our Facebook listeners, we're so glad that you're tuning in today. I would like to reiterate, only for the price sake. We have the Father's John available. We have this for $10.99. We also have the Father's John Plus that has an antihistamine with it, and with the antihistamine that helps with drainage. $10.99, and the Father's John Plus, I believe, is $12.99. On the sinus syrup that we make, both the blood pressure and the non-blood pressure formulas, we sell the 6 ounces for $15.99. These both are $15.99, and we also have large sizes, which is a 16 ounce available for $32.99. So if you have a household with multiple people, or you may live out of state, and it's just easier for you to buy the larger ones, you can absolutely get those available here at Champion's Pharmacy. Also, with the children's, the cod liver oil, we have that available for $14.99. The large sizes is $31.99. So if you have a house full of children, whether they're in preschool, elementary school, or high school, all of them can take the cod liver oil cough syrup, and it also helps to build up the immune system. And we have noticed an uptick with our daycare babies. A lot of mothers and parents grandmothers really, have been coming over today with different ailments, and it just happens with the little ones. So feel free to come over here and take care of the little ones with that one. And on this last one, we have the Sinus Cocktail Tea. We sell this one for $8.99. We sell this one for $8.99. This is our Sinus Cocktail Tea that Dr. Champion specially put together. He almost gave away the proprietary blend, but we decided to hush him up on that. But this is our special sinus cocktail that helps to open you up. It helps with drainage. It helps with as a nasal decongestant. So I just want to put my 1, 2, 3 cents worth in today, and want to stand here by Daddy just to say hello, Facebook listeners. We're happy to have you.
Okay, one more thing before you leave, Dr. Cook. I'm getting a lot of viewers that's asking for hot flashes and night sweats, so I might need a video for you.
So we have some hot girls out there. I'm a hot girl too. Girl, call me. We need to talk. But anyway, we do have some products, and I have some pointers for you. So feel free to either make an appointment, call me, come by, just say hello, and just mention that you're one of the hot girls, and I can relate.
All right.
All right.
All right, Dr.
Thank you.
Champion. You have any final words for your Facebook viewers?
No, only thing I want to say, the products that's been listed here today, they're available. Dr. Champion Pharmacy .com on the Facebook, and that's our website.
Okay.
So you can order those products. And let me remind you, we have a change in weather. We had 102 in Memphis just a few hours ago. And also, I want you to take notice, this is as related to the weather. We got a storm that is going on in Puerto Rico and to the south of Puerto Rico. We don't know to what extent it's going to blow, what kind of germs up into Memphis or up into this market.
Right.
And we also was talking. Did we talk about the caterpillar? As you sit and you listen to the weather reports daily, I know a lot of time you receive some information because the weatherman has to build stories and try to bring information to the people.
Okay.
Some of the latest information I've heard is that caterpillars are sort of digging in.
Oh, okay.
And which is an indication of a cold winter.
Oh, okay.
Now,
So,
with 102 degrees out there, I don't know how you can imagine
Right.
a real cold winter.
Right.
And then also listen for stories about the squirrel carrying nuts and hiding them for the winter.
For the winter, right.
There's a lot of things in nature that we need to be listening to.
So that's why we're also trying to get our patients ready for the winter. Isn't that right, Dr. Champion?
That is right.
That's
that is
what
right.
I'm talking about. I'm gonna hey all of our viewers, we want you to order online at championsherbstore.com. I'm gonna post all of our links on this post, but we also want to see your faces. Come by Champions Pharmacy and Herb Store at 2369 Elvis Presley Boulevard, Memphis, Tennessee 38106, or give us a call at 901-948-6622. We can service you anyway, but we would love to see your faces now. Y'all come on in and see us. I think Dr. Cookie Champion has one more thing for you.
That is regarding my hot girls. My hot girls, I just looked at my shelves, and I will restock on next week. We've had a number of patients that have come by and that have placed orders, and just bear with us. Our that supply chain is really hitting us pretty well, so I don't want you to come in expecting to get it tomorrow. I only have one left, and I'm just going to hang on to it just in case one of you should get over here and beat the other. But however, I will be fully stocked next week. So just give me a buzz. I'll be here all next week. I'm Dr. Cookie. Just give me a buzz, and I'll make sure that I hold it for you and give you some great pointers. So looking forward to seeing you guys. And Dr. Champion.
Yeah. I just have a special hello to all of the Xavier University alumni in the Memphis area,
All right.
Louisiana, and everywhere else.
All right.
This is a special edition for you, and let you know that Champ is still on the go.
All right, Dr. Champion.
All right.
And as we go through the weekend and next week, what is it that we want our listeners and our patients and our community to do? We want them to live like a what?
Live like a champion.
That's right. That's right. Thank you all for viewing today. We really appreciate you, and we hope to see you in store, online, and passing by. Make sure you just say hello, and we will take care of you. All right. Have a good one. Bye.